everyone, welcome back to Plate on a Budget. Today we will be making a delicious sweet and savory baked salmon. In a medium saucepan on medium heat, we are going to add half a cup of butter. Not only do we want to melt the butter, but we want to burn it. When you see it starts to darken in color as it's boiling, add 3 tablespoons of honey. Lift your pot as you stir, as it will want to overflow. Carefully add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice and whisk briskly. Then add 4 to 5 minced garlic cloves and give it a whisk. Turn off the heat and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. In a parchment-lined baking sheet, season your salmon with salt and pepper to taste. Then spoon over the honey garlic sauce. Place salmon in a preheated oven for 10 to 13 minutes, depending on the thickness of your salmon. Be sure to avoid overcooking the salmon as it will dry out. If you liked today's video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. And be sure to turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video.